Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Cooking with Lady Zai. And as usual, today I always like to share a recipe, and for today the recipe is very simple. It is something that we cook normally every day, everywhere we can get from the hawker street also, and it's called banana in coconut milk. So see the ingredients: sagu, palm sugar, screwpine leaves, banana, salt, coconut milk, water. First we boil water with palm sugar, screwpine leaves, pinch of salt. I'm going to peel the bananas and cut it small. We let the sugar dissolve. And add in the sago. We'll wait till the sago clear. Now we can add in the bananas. We let the banana to cook. I add in the coconut milk and we leave it to boil for 1 or 2 minutes. The sauce shouldn't be too thick or too thin. So this is just nice because the sago also give a thickness to the sauce. Alright, it's already done now, and I'm going to serve this. My banana in coconut milk is ready. You can serve it hot or cold. And of course, for those who wish to try, please don't forget to subscribe, share and like my YouTube channel Cooking with Lady Zai, and press the bell button for the new notification. And you can always share comment below.